What's poppin'? Oh my gosh, I cannot come up with an intro. Anyway, I'm chilling back. And welcome to another vlog. Now, I'm just looking at some paper and game stuff. And yeah, currently working on the Big Bomb Guy episode 2 and getting all the animation done. It's gonna be fun. Just looking at some stuff. Nothing interesting. Cool. That's always great. Yeah. So, yeah, Big Bomb Guy episode 2 has some 3D animation, that's all I'm saying. I just had to check over it and I'm not making it. Okay. And 3D animation. Yeah, it's a thing. And I made all the drawings. Oops, my photo. My face isn't in. I made all the drawings for Little Pencil Season 2, Episode 10. Oh, half of them anyway. I recorded it, sort of. Well, I did record it. And I uploaded a stupid version of it to my extra channel. So if you would slow that down really fast, I guess you could do that. I don't know. Yeah, this vlog is going to be pretty short though, because nothing interesting has happened whatsoever. Absolutely nothing has happened that is interesting. If something was interesting, your boy would tell you about it. But I'm not. Wow, the channel YouTube Movies has 50 million subscribers. And I'm not one of them. Yeah, I guess, I don't know. If you haven't figured out already, I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, I realized I put that main channel video or whatever in yesterday's vlog. There you go, you saw the video. I'm gonna upload it separately though. Yeah. Got the video. Didn't mean to show it to you, but sure. And if you're wondering why it started very weird, that's because I had to cut a lot out to cut it down to 13 minutes, because, you know, it can't be over 15 minutes. Yeah. That is why. Not that interesting of a story, I guess. There we go, I'm just setting the channel trailer. On return my vlog channel to my latest vlog, which is the water won't stop. Oh no. Yeah, back. Yeah, I'm just gonna say again, sorry for the short vlog. I can't control it. There was nothing interesting on the way. Probably won't be the next 3 days, I think. I got down here to go on my phone and I can't even find it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the next 3 days will not be that interesting. I don't think. From what I know. It's gonna be pretty boring. Oh, do you know what this is? This phone does have a terrible camera. No joke. It's red. Say hi to the daily vlog. Vlog? Snapchat, vlog. Follow me, Dr. _ he's Mario 123, because he's Mario 123, he's Mario, he's _ Mario, he's Mario, HM123 were all taken. Say hi to the daily vlog. Vlog? Snapchat, vlog. Say hi to the daily vlog. That's one of those ones that you can only watch once and it just gets terrible after. No, I'm not sending it to something else, YT. So try to make me send it to something else, YT. Actually, let's see if Timothy Thomas is on here. Let's go Timothy _ Thomas. Actually, is that Tim Tom? You guys will know him as Tim Tom. I just know him as Tim. If you're wondering who Tim Tom is, that's Tim Tom YT. Jaden and wow, okay. I know there's a fake Odd Ones Out or James on here. And my name will come up as his Mario, by the way. It's pretty swell. Also got this app called Guess the YouTuber, and it's really... most of it is very easy. I'm not gonna lie. But who the hell's that? I'm level 14. I'm pretty good. I'm using a hint. Is that... who's that? I'm sorry. Who's that? Who the hell is this? I'll do the remove letters. It's Bart Baker, isn't it? Looks nothing like Bart Baker. Are you serious? I got an ad? That looks nothing like Bart Baker. Tyler Oakley. See? Tyler Oakley. Yeah, I think you're sick of this, so goodbye.